Hi guys, my name is Coach Lance.
And this is Coach Baste.
And welcome to a special episode of ATV!
Po, Doktora.
Hi.
Hello po. Doktora, this is a special episode po ng ATV. Yan, Amazing TV. So, grabe excited po kami ngayon na makasama po kayo dito sa ATV
Saka
episode.
grabe, Coach, sobrang honored to have Doktora here with us. Especially sa napakaganda, napaka-special na episode natin.
True.
Yan.
Grabe.
So, baby, without further ado, we can start. We can ask Doktora, before we start asking you questions for this one. Dok, okay lang ba pakilala tayo on the camera? Yan, tingin tayo on the camera here. Yan, kaway tayo.
Hi.
Oh, ang ganda ni Doktora, di ba?
Siyempre naman.
Naman, yung buko hanggang ngayon, tignan mo. Anyway, I'm Amelia Reyes Obusan, and I graduated from medicine in never mind the 19, huh?
Okay.
Okay,
Pass.
from FEU. So, I did have a very good medical education. Yeah, actually, I was kind of not really into medicine before because I came from a convent school. I was there for 10 years, and as I graduated from high school, I wanted to be a nun.
Ha? Nan?
I wanted to be a nun. You won't believe it.
Oh my
Yung kapilyahan ko na to, I still want. At that time, I wanted to be a nun, but my dad said no, and so I said, okay, I'll be a ballet dancer because I'd been dancing for 10 years, ballet dancing, and he said no.
Doktora,
Again.
cut ko lang ikaw. Kaya mo pa ba magbalay ngayon?
Konti.
Ay, wow.
Pwede, gusto mo tataas ko yung paa ko.
Later, bro. Later.
Later po
Okay.
tayo niyan.
Oh.
And then after
And then after that, when my dad said no again to my ballet dancing, I said I wanted to be a lawyer, but a criminal lawyer, because I'd been reading a lot of books about Earl Stanley Gardner, Perry Mason, a long time ago, and then Clarence Darrow, the lawyer who never really lost the case. It was a biographical novel, which left me with very, very good impressions. And then my uncles, who are all lawyers, were saying no. Sabi nila mababastos daw ako sa law, sa court, because of the language that they'll be using, which I cannot even utter. Okay. So I said, okay, I'll take up medicine instead. So I went to med school. Not really. I went to pre-med. I went to UST at first. I took the exams.
Dream school.
And then I found my niche there. I went through it. Of course, I had a lot of ups and downs while at FEU. Although I made it through to med school with tears and sweat and headaches and fever and all the anxieties that go through.
Doktora,
Yeah.
question. Feeling ko kasi napakatalino mo. May binagsak ka bang subject?
Meron naman.
Ay, meron?
Meron.
Wow.
Gano'ng kahirap yun, Dok, para mabagsak mo siya? Kasi feeling namin sobrang
Hindi.
talaga eh.
You don't feel like maski ka bumaksak, it's not because you're stupid or you don't know anything. It's just because you just can't seem to relate to the subject very well. You know what I mean?
That makes sense.
It's when you fail something in anything in your work, in your life, it is not the failure that counts. What counts is how you get out of it, your mindset. Otherwise, you'll never be able to go anywhere. Because if you keep that failure in your heart, in your mind, in your soul, you will never be able to get out of it. It's how you take the failure as a motivation for you to do better.
Yes, correct naman po yun. Kaya, di ba, sa buhay natin, pag nagfe-fail tayo, most of the time, pag nagfe-fail, marami agad bumabagsak.
Yeah.
Hindi na ka marunong bumangon. So, every time, tama po yun, Doktora, na every time you fail, kailangan you know how to pause. First,
Yes.
pause. You have to contemplate, reflect, at kailangan mo bumangon.
Yeah.
It's a lesson also, though.
And find out why. Where did you go wrong? Okay,
Yes,
you didn't like
correct.
the subject, you didn't like this. It's not a deterrent for anyone.
Mm-hmm.
For anyone to stop trying their best to succeed. in fact, it should be a motivation for everybody.
Correct.
For those who fail in anything in life,
Correct.
it should be a motivation for you to do better, to rise up and get up. Hey, sampal-sampalin mo sarili mo, di ba?
Oh, pasampal kayo kay Dr.
Oo.
Kasi doktora naman yung sasampal sa akin para mag-yes na ako.
Oo.
So, Doc, anong subject yun? Going back, anong subject yun, Doc?
Akala ko
The very curious, very curious.
Biochemistry.
Oh.
Narinig ko pa lang yung bio coach, sinantok na ako.
Ay, nantok ka na.
I get it.
Medyo,
Walk out na.
Walk out.
Ay, hindi. Okay lang sa akin.
Oo.
Okay lang sa akin yan. Okay.
medyo anong relevance ng biochemistry sa buhay ko, di ba?
Tinatanong ko rin yan, Doc, tungkol sa Pythagorean theorem. Saan ko pa gagamitin yung Pythagorean theorem na yan?
Kasi A squared plus B squared equals C squared yun, di ba?
So, pag bibili ka, ano po ba yung C squared?
Or what inspired you to pursue
Yeah.
medicine?
My failure.
Your failure. Intriguing.
Ganda.
Because if I fail once, I can do this.
Oh.
I can do this. And then I've seen a lot of people who need care, who need patience from doctors. And I've seen failures of patients who are not satisfied with the way their doctors are dealing with them, who had been conned by some doctors, who had had bad experiences with other doctors.
Yes. And Coach Lance, add ko lang kay Doctor kasi, nurse
Yeah,
ako. So,
medical field
with our healthcare systems here in the Philippines, iba talaga yung pag may pera at walang pera. How
Ang layo nung
different
medical
profile
care.
yun. At saka yung how they treat the patients, lalo na pagdating sa estado ng buhay. So, I understand that.
And I think marami sa viewers natin din, Coach, Doktora, no, na yan din yung naramdaman nila. And yan din yung normal na na-experience nila with their families, with themselves also kung kailangan nila ng
Correct.
medical care. And yun yung isa sa may hirap, lalo sa state natin ngayon with yung medical care natin here in the Philippines.
Yeah. Ito, add ko lang. Kaya marami, katulad namin mga nurses and doctors, marami nagdo-doctor sa barrio, kami
Yeah.
mga nurses nag-community kasi iba yung nare-reach namin yung mga poor side. So, talagang kanya-kanya yan eh. Iba talaga pag nakita mo yung healthcare systems ng Philippines, mas mamahalin mo yung trabaho mo at yung passion mo. Kagaya ni Dr. Kaya siya siguro, sabi nga, na-inspire siya dahil
Very
sa failure.
passionate, yeah.
Very passionate.
Doktora,
Yeah.
question, anong specialty natin no, on the medical field? Ano po ba
Internal medicine, and then I went into cardiology. But,
Cardiology. May sakit
no,
pa puso.
the first
Okay.
one
Pag heartbroken po ba,
Aray.
cardiologist po ba yung punta?
pag ano,
Pag heartbroken, Doc, cardiologist ba yung punta or...
psychiatry.
Ay, so, sa psychiatrist mo ako pupunta.
Bali po pala kami
Mali
ng
pala ako
interview.
yung So, kailangan sa psychiatrist.
Bakit nyo, Doc, napili yung path po na...
No, actually, internal medicine tapos nag-psychiatry muna ako.
Okay, right? Opo.
Okay.
Kasi Doc,
Pero-
masakit kasi. Hindi, joke lang.
Ako po, nasaktan lang kami. Ay, bawal naman.
Pero kasi, when my husband passed on, I had very young children. I had a 3-month-old baby for my youngest, and an 8-year-old little boy, and a 4-year-old girl, and a 3-month-old baby. Pag ako nung nasa psychiatry ako, I was doing psychoanalysis,
Yes, psychoanalysis.
which takes about 1 hour.
1 to 2
Per
hours,
session, yeah.
actually.
And I was one of the very few ones who would do this. Pagod na pagod ako.
Yeah.
I can only take 3 patients in one day, or in one afternoon. And then, pagod na ako. Pagdating ko sa bahay, syempre yung mga bata, very anxious to see me, and they're so happy to see me also. And they have their own problems also. So they go, Mommy, you know what? Mom, you know what? You know what?
Correct.
Medyo
Nakakabingi na, parang
Yeah.
nakakabingi na.
So I go, give me an hour, let
Yeah.
me decompress first.
Yeah.
Compressed.
So they keep quiet, I go to my room, I stay there, and then for an hour, and then after that, but then it was very tiring for me, so I said, I might as well go into something else. So I went into cardiology. hindi din pala ganun kadali.
Kasi, you know what, Coach Lance, pagdating sa psychiatry or mental health, pag nagkakaroon ka ng mga consultations, di ba, nagagano ka before, nakaka-drain siya.
Totoo.
Actually, parang nakukuha
Listening
mo
to
yung
people, yeah.
listening to people, then how you paano ba, makipag-converse sa kanila, syempre, kailangan may konti tayong mahirap talaga, as in, kaya, really, makapag-doktor na rin kaya ako. Okay. So, nakaka-relate din talaga ako, kasi talagang nakaka-drain po siya, Dr. Rick, di ba?
Yung analysis mo, because you just do not talk to the patient. You let the patient keep on talking, and then while she's talking, you analyze the patient. You analyze
Correct.
even her movements, the eye movements, the hand
Gestures.
movements, everything. You analyze this, and there are patients whom I've seen who have been to other psychiatrists who are in chemotherapy. You know, just medicines. So madami na silang madami na silang side effects.
Correct.
I had one patient who was just ganyan lang siya ng ganyan eh.
Parang may Torenas.
Okay.
Parang nagtuturenas.
Because of the medications that were given her for years.
Oh.
So you cannot remove that anymore. Although I have to remove the medications slowly, pero it seemed that psychoanalysis doesn't work that way. You have to keep on with some other medications. Medyo, it's very draining, you're right.
Yeah,
It's very draining.
Yeah, of course.
It's very frustrating as well.
Of course.
Yes.
So, nabanggit niyo po, Doktora, may mga struggles kayo dito sa bahay, lalo na pagkakauwi. So, ano naman po yung mga frequent or na-experience mo sa patients? Sa
Yung
patients
on
naman
your
po,
work naman
on your
po.
work, nung nag-extra po kayo internal and cardiologist. Ano po yung mga usual niyo pong mga pasyente?
May mga pasyente ako na galing sa ibang doktor, natural, no?
Yes.
Na may mga nagsishopping dyan. Ang mga nakakatawang instances are like, ano ang ininom mong gamot? Ay, madami po eh. Ano-ano nga yung mga gamot? Yung ba merong
Yung color blue po.
merong maputi at saka merong pink ho na
Oh.
Tapos yung may ganon, may hati sa gitna. Yun ho, sabi ko, ano nga ho yun? Hindi ho, yun nga sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sabi ko, sa uulitin ho, kailangan may listahan kayo ng gamot nyo. Hindi kasi yung misis ko nagbibigay sa akin o yung anak ko
Iniinom
nagbibigay
ko lang
sa
po
akin.
kasi
Usual.
hindi ko po
Oo.
alam yung pangalan.
Ang tanong ko ngayon, may insurance ba kayo?
Ah.
Bakit ho? Kasi kung yung misis nyo, binibigyan kayo, gusto ko malaman kung magkano yung insurance nyo. Baka kung ano na binibigay sa inyo, hindi nyo pa nalalaman, di ba?
Baka po malaki po yung
Oo,
insurance
baka malaki
coverage.
insurance nyo.
Galing na. Gusto ko yun.
Ganon. Ay, ewan ko po. Tanungin nyo. Ngayon, habang yung tinatanong, tanungin nyo din yung mga listahan ng gamot nyo. Porque dapat yan, meron kayong listahan ng gamot para kung emergency, tanungin kayo ng doktor. Hindi ako, yung ibang doktor. Meron kayong papakita, eto mga gamot ko. Hindi yung sasabihin nyo, pink tablet ho na maliit na ganito, na may ganun sa
Medyo
gitna.
ganun po yung insurance.
Oo. O kulay, parang puso ho yung Ay, naku, sabi ko, madaming ganyan, di ba?
Yeah.
So, ang iba pa nun, ano yung nararamdaman nyo? Matagal na ho kasi. Hindi ho matagal na nga. Ano pa nararamdaman nyo? Oy, ano nga nararamdaman ko nung iba?
Nagtanong sa iba.
Ano
Oo.
sabi ko sa'yo pakiramdam?
Oo. Mga ganon. So, it is funny, not in a comic way.
Yeah.
But it is frustrating as a doctor because you can't seem to get the whole history.
Yeah. How many years na po kayong practicing the doctor?
More than 50 years.
More than,
Wow.
wow! Grabe, more than 5 decades. Grabe. On those 5 decades, Doc, na yun po, nakita niyo po Filipino patients, on the whole healthcare system po natin ngayon, how it improved and all. Ano yung mga nakita niyo pong challenges?
The challenges are a lot of patients are being given multiple medications.
Multiple medications.
And you get the polypharmacy this way. Your kidneys, your liver, they suffer. Some of my patients are having kidney failure because of a lot of medications.
Correct.
Some have liver failure. Statins are the number one causes of
Parkinson's.
dementia.
Wow.
because you need cholesterol. You need cholesterol in your body, in your brain. You need cholesterol to give you energy.
Yeah.
You need cholesterol to increase your brain function. You need cholesterol, period.
True.
And it has been found out, we have a lot of studies now that are saying we all need cholesterol. So regardless of how high your cholesterol, yun ang masyadong pataasin.
Wag
Okay,
naman
that's
po na,
delicate.
wag naman
Oo.
po yung
Pag sobrang
sobrang
baba,
taas.
sobrang taas.
Oo, yung control
Talaga,
naman, hindi
yes.
naman yung naka 700 ka na, hindi na tama yun, ano.
Grabe naman yun.
Oo, pero
Iniisip ko
kung
pa naman, Doc,
kung nasa 300 ka lang, o ganyan.
Cholesterol eh.
Sarap.
Oo, hindi na. Exercise is the best. Actually, walking, you don't have to break a bone when you exercise. You don't have to lift weights if you don't want to. Ngayon, madami na
Hindi ako nakaiwas po
or
doon.
chair yoga, or Tai Chi. Yung Tai Chi, I tried Tai Chi when I was in the States, no? Kasi meron dun senior center. My sister-in-law took me there.
Gumagano'n po.
Oo.
Si Bashi, parang
Ang ganda ng Tai Chi eh. Kasi, yung mahinhin.
Controlled movements. Gano'n po,
Simple
yeah.
movements, mahinhin, pero you exert your muscles. Hindi yung gaganon ka, ganun ka lang. Wala. Kailangan you exert the muscles. When you move, you exert.
Oh.
Titigasan mo siya, hindi yung
Kailangan ka gracefully.
gracefully.
Yung pala, kailangan may
Yeah.
force.
Everyone,
may konting
everyone na
Oh, may
nanonood po
force, may
ngayon,
ganon.
sabay-sabay po tayo.
Okay,
Ready?
ka,
1, 2, 3. May force. Yeah.
Ganon, di ba? O kaya ballroom,
Ang good,
o kaya ballroom dancing.
Oo, pwede. Oo.
Or, basta you move.
Zumba.
Any
Nakikinig
movement.
ng Zumba
Zumba,
ngayon.
yeah.
Grabe.
Ganda po, no? Yung experience yun, Doc.
Yes,
Yung ganong klaseng experience talaga. And I think it's one of those, yun yung mga klase ng lifelong experiences, especially po on your field, na para ma-push po tayo maghanap ng alternative na better and na safer way for our patients also. Tama po ba ako?
I was we had a medical office in PNB, and we were giving medications to the patients in PNB at that time. We were giving maintenance medications and all that to everyone, regardless of your rank. Kay presidente ka, kay rank and file ka, kay janitor ka, we'll give that maintenance medications. So we had a lot of med reps coming in, giving us samples, ganito, ganyan. There was this med rep who came and said, "Doktora, try mo to." Jar siya, it's a jar. Ano to? Sabi ko, alkaline vitamin C yan, doktora.
Oh.
Oh, sabi ko, vitamin C na naman. You know, in med school, in nutrition, we were taught that that's only 75 milligrams water soluble, madali
Yes,
din
correct.
naman lumabas yan. Hindi, doktora, ascorbic acid yun. Ito, alkaline vitamin C. Pareho din yan. Ganyan,
Same
no?
thing,
Water
same
soluble, pareho din yan. So, binigyan niya ako. Sabi ko, sige, thank you. Isang jar yun, malaki yung jar. Tapos, I had a cabinet. I placed it in my cabinet. Stay there. This guy comes back again, gives me another jar. Same thing. Vitamin
Same
C.
spill.
Yeah, vitamin C. Okay. Tapos, hanggang nakatatlo ako noon na jars. Tapos sabi ko, sayang naman, ano?
Tatlo na
Hindi
yun.
nagagamit.
Tatlong jars na siguro, madami yun eh, may scooper pa yun eh. Sabi ko, try ko nga. Hindi ko naman, wala naman, vitamin C lang naman,
Opo.
wala naman mawawala. Tapos tinitingnan ko, I don't like liquids. Jar ito, you scoop it up and then you put it in water. So I tried it. Okay, lagay ko sa water. Oo. Maalat. Okay lang. Ganon. And then, parang nasasayangan kasi ako nga, 3 jars. Sabi ko, sige, gawin ko na. Every time I come to the office, lalagay ako ng
Ano po?
one scoop, ganon. There was a time I had a cold. May konting fever ako. Sabi ko, vitamin C lang naman eh. Ganyan, lagay ko ng 1 scoop. Ubo pa din ako ng ubo, sipon ako ng sipon. Sabi ko, vitamin C lang, kuha na naman ako ng 1 glass of water. Kuha na naman ako, lagay na naman. So I took about, siguro 3 scoops. For the whole day, I could have taken about 5 or 6 scoops of that.
Wow.
Oh.
Nawala yung cold ko. In one day, my cold disappeared.
And normally po, pag colds, di ba? On the week.
Matanggal. Kasi
Matagal.
viral yun eh.
Yes.
So, sabi ko, nawala. Sabi ko dun sa kasama kong doktor, sabi ko, Susan, nawala yung cold ko. Sabi niya, vitamin C lang eh. Oo nga, sabi ko, okay lang. And then again, my children have allergic rhinitis.
Ayan.
My son, every morning yan, madidinig mo bumabahin. Mula Fairview hanggang Quiapo, madidinig mo yung bahin niya.
Wow.
Ganong kalakas.
So pag narinig po sa kaya,
Yeah.
may cold na naman.
My other daughter, my second child, every time she comes to me in the morning, she goes, Mom, tulo yung sipon niya, you know, and all that. And then, okay, fine. Naalala ko, meron akong vitamin C sa clinic. So I brought home 1 jar. And then this guy keeps on coming back. He would give me a jar.
Wow.
So nare-replenish yung jars ko. Nag-uuwi ako ngayon, oh, you take this, it might be good for you. So your sniffles will disappear, you know. Nawawala. Pero siyempre bumabalik kasi allergies eh.
Yes.
Bumabalik. Pero yung bahin niya, the sneeze of my son doesn't go all the way out to Quiapo.
Hanggang Fairview na lang dulo ulit.
Oo, hanggang Fairview na lang siguro yun, di ba?
Medyo lapit-lapit na lang.
Oo. Tapos, medyo nawawala. But of course, an allergy keeps on coming back. And then they said, you know, Mom, I think it's good. Yeah, okay, so we continue taking it. And then, I was thinking, if it can help allergic rhinitis, it can help asthma.
Makes sense.
Oh.
So I started giving it to my patients in St. Luke's. I was giving it to them for free because I was getting it for free. So, sabi ng mga pasyente ko na may asthma, o ano, doktor, ang ganda nito. Tapos hindi sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Tapos naalala ko, nga pala, no, hindi sumasakit yung tiyan ko din. Even if I take a lot. Hindi sumasakit yung tiyan ko.
Kasi po, na-remember ko, sabi niyo, nakalima kayong scoops na.
Oo.
Yeah, opo. So,
Pero hindi ko na ano yun. I did not mind it because I got better, I got well, and then I didn't think about the effect in the gastrointestinal tract. And then, yung isang pasyente ko nagsabi sa akin, Doktor, ang ganda nito, maski inumin ko to ng nawawala yung asthma ko, tsaka inumin ko ng hindi ako kumakain, hindi sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Sabi ko, o nga no, naalala ko, ako nga pala, ang dami ko nilalagay.
Same experience din po.
Oo.
Yeah.
Hindi din nga pala, o nga sabi ko. Kasi, sabi nung medrep sa akin, alkaline vitamin C.
Alkaline.
Oh.
Okay, sabi ko. So, hindi pala to ascorbic acid. So, dumating ulit yung isang medrep, hoy, halika dito, upo ka dyan.
Mag-usap tayo.
Kinausap na. Dati parang avoidant pa medyo, no?
Oo.
Noong una, nonchalant pa eh.
Oo. Ano ba to? Ascorbic acid, alkaline. What is the difference? Hindi ho yan acidic. Ang pH yan, 7.5.
Oh.
Oh.
Basic.
Ganun pala yon, sabi ko. Kaya pala, ako sabi ko, tsaka wala nagre-reklamo masakit ang tiyan ng mga binigyan ko. Pati ako. Sabi ko, okay, so probably, and sometimes I take 6. Sa akin, mega dose na yun, no? Yung 6 scoops. Eh, ang 1 scoop nun is 500 milligrams.
So, ilan yun? That's
Okay.
a lot.
So sabi ko,
3,000?
3,000.
3,000
so
milligrams.
nag-iisip ako,
Wow.
pwede. Pwede. So I started giving it at 4 capsules. 4 scoops. 4 scoops. And then I got to meet the one who was importing it from the States. And then he asked me if I can help them sell this. I said, yeah, I can do this because I have been taking it.
Ano po,
And
it's
I
a
can
personal
endorse
experience,
it. It's a personal thing. And I've been giving some to my patients because I was being given for free. Doon nag-umpisa yung alkaline vitamin C ko. So,
What a story.
may mga pasyente akong iba-iba ng klase. Meron nagpunta sa akin na isang psoriasis patient na I was looking into psoriasis na kasi, one of the causes is allergy also. Allergy to medicines, to the food that you're taking in, stress and all that. Stress can give you a lot of things that you don't like, and one of them is allergies. So, yung psoriasis patient ko, sabi ko, sige, inumin mo to, tignan natin kung aandar, kung ano.
If
Try
it will
muna
work,
natin.
yeah,
Oo,
Maging
try na-
effective.
Yeah.
Oo, kasi allergy, sige. Okay. Nagsusubside. And then when I retired from PNB, I went into this company na yung una nagbigay sa akin ng vitamin, na alkaline vitamin C. They started asking me to join them, to lecture for them and all that. And I did it because it's my personal experience.
Yeah.
And then, sabi ko nga, because it's a jar, it's very difficult to market it or to let patients take the jar along wherever they go. Medyo,
Masubukan mo.
oo, medyo because let's capsulize it. Yes, sabi niya sa akin. He's a very nice guy. He's the president of the company. And he said, Les, I'll think about it. Yung think about it, natapos sa 1 taon, wala pa din nangyayari.
So, nag-isip lang na nag-isip.
Yeah.
Nag-isip.
Inisip lang. Doc, for the benefit po ng mga viewers and ng mga listeners po natin ngayon. So, yung alkaline vitamins, Doc, if we can run through lang, bakit siya better than yung normal natin na vitamin C? Yung ascorbic acid natin na vitamin C?
Like I said, yung ascorbic acid, nakakasakit ng tiyan. You take 1 capsule without eating, in an empty stomach, and you get pain.
Correct.
Pain and then you get a reflux.
Totoo po.
You get a reflux. Whereas when you take alkaline vitamin C, you take 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, you don't get any reflux. Hindi sumasakit yung tiyan mo. Since I had been looking into cancer patients, I have a lot. Actually, hindi na cardiology ang ko ngayon. Nag-GP na din ako ngayon.
Cardiologist.
Kasi ang daming pasyente na kailangan ng free consultation, which we had been doing.
Yeah.
And I have been doing this for the past, more than 10 years already.
Okay.
Yeah, since 1996. Since 1996, when I got into sodium ascorbate, and I started having patients there. And a lot of patients have been relieved. Relieved. Some patients have gotten better. Some patients have been cured. I cannot claim talagang cured na cured because some patients just go off. They don't take it anymore. But then the patients who are so patient with it and will swear by it have gotten well. That is why I'm still into it. I'm still here, and I aim to be able to help a lot
Yes.
as long as I can. And this free clinic that MCOR is giving, the foundation that the MCOR has for everyone, is a big help to people who don't have anything.
Yeah, that's true.
We are here to help out.
Yes. Correct.
We are here to improve lives.
Yun.
Ang ganda.
We are here to make a better Philippines.
Yes.
Finally, probably, make a better world.
World.
Yeah.
Global.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda po. No?
Yun, dahil nabanggit na naman ni Dr. Abos, MCOR.
Yeah.
So ako po, personally, I'm very much excited and very proud na na-introduce po sa akin to si Alkaline Vitamin C ni MCOR.
Yes.
24 Alkaline Vitamin C. And syempre kanina nabanggit ni Doktora yung about mega dosing. Syempre as a normal,
yeah.
normal ako katoliko, nurse and siguro normal na tao. Syempre ako nung una sabi, i-mega dose mo yan. Sabi, mega dose, tas overdosing.
Alala ko, coach, yung
Lagi
mukha
akong-
mo. Sabi namin sa'yo, coach, nung masama pakiramdam mo to, di ba?
Sama na pakiramdam
Coach,
mo.
inom ka ng 10, tapos 3 times. Parang ikaw, teka, pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun?
Correct. Kasi syempre sabi ko, naisip ko, nurse ako, baka mamaya masira yung liver ko,
Yeah.
masira yung kidney ko, sumakit ang ulo ko. Sa
Sex.
iba na pala yan.
Ay, iba
Yun.
pala yun.
Parang,
Sorry.
parang syempre,
Pinalaki na sex man. Sorry.
pinalaki. Natakot ako noon. Pero noong time na, di ba, nag-worse yung ano ko, na-pneumonia ako,
Yeah.
doktora. Na-pneumonia ako. Tapos normally, pag na-hospital ako, 5 days, 7 days,
Very long.
very long.
Long recovery
Then,
period.
nung naalala ko
talaga.
na sinabi niya sa akin, doktora, at sa kanina coach Lance, you take 10. 10. So, 30. So, nagganon po ako. Nasa ospital ako. So, ang bilis kong gumaling no. Parang 2.5 lang po ako nagtagal doon sa hospital. And sabi ko, wow,
Yeah.
pwede. Pwede.
Dok,
At normal po yung aking laboratories.
Yeah. Dok,
Normal.
anong masasabi mo on people? Yan, personal experiences po na first time namin na-meet yung parang mega dosing on
Yeah,
alkaline
correct.
vitamin C. And kami very cautious about it kasi parang
true.
grabe, first time namin nakarinig ng ganong kadaming pinapainom. And if you remember, Dok, noong time naman ako nagka-dengue ko, parang ang pinainom mo sa akin nung Dok, parang 20 capsules 3 times a day. As in,
Or-
grabe po yun. Pero yung dengue ko po noon, parang 3 days lang magaling na ako. Anong masasabi niyo, Doc, on yung viewers po natin na very cautious sila kapag dun sa mega dosing? na
Narinig
part
yung overdosing or
na-
mega
mega
dosing.
dosing.
Kasi nga,
On vitamin C, on alkaline vitamin C
Alkaline
lang po,
vitamin
ah.
C.
Huwag niyo po
kasi
gagawin
nga,
on other.
di ba, like you said, pag sinabi mo mega dosing, overdosing
Yes,
na yun, ano? Pero this is a water-soluble vitamin.
Mm,
When you eat, when you talk, your saliva has water.
yes.
Lalabas dun yung vitamin C mo. Medyo pinawisan ka, maski konti lang, labas yung vitamin C mo. Umiihi ka, lalabas din yung vitamin C mo. So ano natitira sa katawan to be able to protect you? Di ba?
Mhm.
So you have to take more. If you want to get better, you take more. If you want better antioxidant properties, you take more. What is an antioxidant? An antioxidant is an electron donor. And when you have, mahirap ikwento dito yung electron
Yes.
donation and
Kukuha pa
all
akong
that.
white
Sa mayroon masyadong medical
Parang
term
ako
or
white boy. Joke lang, joke lang, joke lang.
Ang ba- medical term or scientific term ba yun? Syntax error.
Naalala ko tuloy yung biochemistry ulit pa rin ako.
Mga ganun ba? So, ang electron donor, habang ka nagkakasakit, dumadami yung free radicals, nawawala yung electrons.
Yeah.
So, kung madami kang antioxidant, yung antioxidant which donates electrons will replace or remove the free radicals. Okay? You have to attend my lecture so you will be able to
Yeah,
understand
you
this
should.
better. But that's in a nutshell. What is an antioxidant? Okay, so the more antioxidants you have, the more your body can fight all the free radicals or the pollution that has gotten into your body.
Yes.
That's it.
Once and for all, sa lahat ng may question in their head nanonood ito, once and for all, is mega dosing safe for your livers and for your liver and for your kidney?
Yes,
Yes,
Yun,
it is.
yes.
because it is not sodium ascorbate. It's not
Ascorbate.
sodium chloride.
Ah, oh, okay.
Sodium chloride is patis, salt,
Oh.
soy sauce. Ito ang nakakasira ng kidneys.
Mhm.
An alkaline or sodium ascorbate is not sodium chloride. It is sodium ascorbate. Okay? Meaning alkaline to. Meaning yung pH niyan can go up to 9. It depends on how much you take. So yung ordinary 1 capsule is 7.5 already. Ang sodium chloride, pag ininom mo as sodium chloride or nilagay mo sa pagkain mo na pagkadami-dami kasi walang lasa, naglagay ka pa ng patis, naglagay ka pa ng kung ano-ano dyan, lahat ng condiments na puro Chinese ingredients na ang taas-taas sodium, sigurado ako, yung kidneys mo masisira.
Okay.
And for your information po sa mga feeling ko, Coach Las, nakikita ko, sodium chloride. Yung NaCl po yun, meaning salt. Yun yung
Salt.
Sodium chloride is salt.
Pwede
Yes.
naman.
Ayun, okay na?
Asin naman kasi.
Ay,
Yung
asin.
chloride ba? Asin.
Okay.
Biochemistry na naman yun.
Ayun.
Dito naman tayo sa
Pasensya na po,
biochemistry.
medyo gusto ko po yung mga ganong topic, ang sodium
So
chloride.
it's different, Doc. Sodium chloride is different from sodium ascorbate.
Yes,
So this one
definitely.
is healthy. Ang ganda po doon.
Yes, correct.
Doc, may isa pa akong question. Lalo na,
Si Coach Las, daming tanong.
syempre naman. Syempre, para lahat ng tanong nyo, itatanong natin yan.
Yun,
Huwag kayong
tama.
mag-alala. Doc, question. Ito, lagi nating naririnig to on others. About sodium ascorbate. How do you use sodium ascorbate for your health and wellness? Nakagaling ba talaga siya ng sakit? How does it work?
I cannot say it cures.
Yes.
Okay. It
You
doesn't-
never say it cures.
No. Alright.
It does not remove tumors. It helps. It helps contain viral infections.
Mhm.
It helps kill bacteria. But I will not say it cures.
Okay.
Because you have to have other adjuncts in medicine. Like for cancer, you need definite some medications like chemotherapy probably.
Yes, correct.
Now we have other studies that says ivermectin helps together with sodium ascorbate.
Whoa.
Wow.
Together, it's always together with sodium ascorbate. If you take antibiotics, take it with sodium ascorbate because
Yes.
it helps absorb the medication faster.
Kaya siguro ako mabilis gumaling kasi di ba nung pag may pneumonia ka, may mga antibiotics. So, mabilis yung absorption.
Absorption.
And, Doktora, dahil nabanggit mo yung cancer, ako naman po, punta ako sa
Yeah, go.
current event na syempre lumulobo yung may mga HIV.
Wow. Very
mga
good question.
HIV. So, syempre po, pagdating sa HIV, yung immune system din talaga nila yung inaatake ng virus. So, will you recommend taking alkaline vitamin C and megadosing sa mga taong naka-ART,
Yes.
naka-retroviral med?
Yes. Nag-ACT.
Mhm.
Yeah. I will recommend this because it will help the absorption of the medication. And then because HIV is an immunosuppressive
Yes.
disease, okay? It suppresses your immune system. What your vitamin C does, sodium ascorbate, it helps, it boosts the immune system. It brings in more lymphocytes.
Mhm.
It brings in more cells from the spleen, from the liver,
Mhm.
to help eradicate the disease
Wow.
because of the electron donation.
Yes.
You always have to go back to the electron donation. And that is the core of antioxidant, the electron donors. Many people don't know this. Vitamin C lang naman yan eh.
Totoo po yan.
Yeah.
Usually
Like
ganun.
sinasabi
Dahil-
nila.
Pero
Nag-exist
pag
already.
inisip mo, pag tinignan mo yung the ability of the vitamin C to be able, how does vitamin C do this? As vitamin C only. How does it happen? Sabihin nila antioxidant, wala naman yan. Anong antioxidant? People do not think what an antioxidant means and what it really does. So if you go into the biochemistry,
Oh.
So like, Siguro, feeling ko yung buong art po ng episode natin ngayon. Babalik ang
or
biochem.
the hashtag
Biochem.
biochemistry.
Oh, biochem.
Sige mo, Doc.
Yun na naman. So, yung baksa ko sa biochemistry, okay lang, di ba?
Oh, diba? Kasi nga, failure is what gets you to success.
Buhay pa kaya yung mga professors ko sa bio?
Pero grabe, no?
Basta ipasa niyo ako, ha?
Pero grabe, Coach, ito, ano ko lang to, ha? Napaka-powerful nitong 24 alkaline
Alkalines,
vitamin C ni
yeah.
MCOR. Sobrang, nung narinig ko yung mga sinasabi ni Doktor, kaya pala, no wonder, siya tinawagan, Mother of Sodium Ascorbate,
Grabe, no?
alkaline vitamin C. Di ba? Parang grabe. Dati talaga, I have doubts na, oh, megadosing ako, it scares, nakakatakot, baka mamaya masiray. And napaliwanag ni Doktora kanina na it's safe, it's water-soluble, it's very, very safe. And lalo na sa mga current events natin with regards to cancer, to HIV na lumoloban na almost 6,000 na yata.
Wow.
As far as I read the news, nasa 6,000. So it will help to boost immune system. Di ba?
Ang ganda. And Doc, may question ako sa inyo po. And for anyone na nakikinig po ngayon, for everyone hindi pa po alam, Dr. Amelia Ubusan is the premier expert po here in the Philippines about sodium ascorbate.
Wow.
And nabanggit po ni Coach Basti kanina, ang tawag po natin with Dr. Amy Ubusan is the mother of sodium ascorbate.
Yes.
Siguro yung first question ko po muna, Doc, how does it feel? How does it feel na
True.
you're the premium expert here, especially on sodium ascorbate, na kayo yung tinitingala po ng lahat as the mother of sodium ascorbate here in the
And
Philippines?
I heard, pinag-aagawan.
Siyempre naman.
Ayun.
Well, I'm happy that I was able to make a difference.
Yes.
And I am humbled by the fact that I was able to help so many people. And I guess I'm just happy that I was able to do something in my lifetime. And when I go, sodium ascorbate will still be here.
Yeah.
And I hope everybody will remember what I've said, what if I have inspired anyone
Of course.
to do this. Hindi lang ho iniinom ang vitamin C, itong sodium ascorbate natin. Nilalagay pa ho yan sa mukha. Yan.
Ginagawa namin.
Ako hindi nagme-makeup, pero ayan na ho yung vitamin C natin. Now, if you notice yung mga ano ngayon, may mga products ngayon na lahat yata may vitamin C, mga
Totoo,
beauty
totoo
products
yan.
na ganyan, ano. Pero I'm really humbled by this experience. And I'm enjoying the response of the patients to this.
Yes.
And I'm so glad I'm able to help out a lot of people.
Yun.
Siguro, Doc, as the mother of sodium ascorbate, bakit ang personal recommendation nyo po, yung 24 alkalines ni MCOR? How is this different from all the other sodium ascorbate sa market po natin ngayon?
You know, I just don't endorse a product.
Yeah.
When they asked me to lecture for 24 alkaline vitamin C, sabi ko, sige, kasi vitamin C ulit yan, no? Kasi galing na ako sa isang, and I pioneered that. So, maganda yung vitamin C noon nila, yung sodium ascorbate nila. Tapos, I retired from there and I was freelancing. I went back to my clinic. And then I was asked to join MCOR. So, mother kayo ng sodium ascorbate? Sabi ko, okay lang. Bakit?
No biggie. No biggie. Ako yung expert na sodium ascorbate sa Philippines. Normal.
Basic.
Basic.
So, pwede you join MCOR kayong mag-lecture ng sodium ascorbate. Because try ko muna. Try ko muna. Because I'm not going to talk about anything if I haven't tried it. Okay?
That's true.
So sabi nila, sige, ilan gusto mo? Sabi ko, ilan ang bibigay nyo sa akin para ita-try ko. So, ewan ko, binigyan na yata ako 5 boxes. I tried it. Ba, sabi ko, pareho nung nag-retire ako doon. Parehong effect. Tapos, sabi sa akin, tinawagan ko ulit. Sabi ko, sige, I tried it and I can lecture. I started lecturing. Tapos, kasi itong sodium ascorbate, ang alkaline vitamin C, it just continues to grow. I mean, scientific studies, one after the other. So habang ako nagtatagal dito, basa ako ng basa. So yung mga lectures ko, nire-revise ko kasi dinadagdagan ko yan kung ano yung
Based
nababasa
on the
ko.
current scientific studies
Oo,
po
scientific studies. And nung nagka-COVID nga, yung first COVID, nakikinig ako ng mga ano yan yung mga nanggagaling from other countries. There was someone in the States, I don't know which hospital, says, do you know what they do in the Philippines? They just give vitamin C. They give alkaline vitamin C. And people there with COVID, just got well. We don't know why. And here we are, we're trying to
do anything.
discover some other medications which
Vaccines
are toxic.
and all, toxic, yeah.
And in the Philippines, that's all they do. Alkaline vitamin C, why can't we do it here? Because the FDA or the NSA, they don't want it there, they want pharma products. But here, since we are in a free, I don't know, it's a free country or whatever, I mean, we can take what we want to take. We're not bound by pharmaceuticals.
Yes.
So, and besides, with this, it's very cheap. Unlike the COVID medications, Reserve something,
Yeah.
Something.
Oh, no, no, no.
3,000, 6,000, one injection. Hindi ka pa maiiniksyonan kung hindi mo muna babayadan sa ibang ospital. Namamatay ka pa din, ano? So, ito, ang daming nasisave.
Yeah.
And how much is it? It's very inexpensive. Hindi ka mamamatay sa pagbayad.
Yes, correct.
Kasi yung isa, saan ako kukuha ng 6,000? Saan ako kukuha ng 3,000? You know?
Pag-isip pa lang toxic na, doon ka na
Oo.
namatay.
Doon pa lang
Hindi na sa COVID.
sumasama na yung pakaramdam mo.
Oo, hindi sa COVID. Oo.
Wala ka
Sa
na
stress.
trabaho, no? Di ba? Walang trabaho.
Naka-lockdown lahat.
Lockdown. Tapos
Grabe.
biglang mag-isip ko, saan
Oo.
ako? Wala na ako. Kailangan ko na ito sa pagkain namin, ganyan.
Samantalang ito, we have our MCOR Foundation. Noon, nagbibigay tayo ng libre.
Yan,
Wow!
Nagbibigay tayo ng libre. Ngayon, yung iba na gustong bumibili. Tapos they resell it. You know, yung iba.
They become distributors.
Pero,
po also.
yung namimigay tayo. All they have to do is come to me and with the recommendation that I give, with my diagnosis that I give. Our president, si Ray Panaligan, is a very, very nice person.
That's true.
And he will accommodate anyone who is in need. That is something that I am very proud of.
Yes. That's so
And to be here in this company, I am blessed. The people are blessed. They're so respectful. And they're very, ito, lalo na to, itong mga to. Tamo to.
Gigigiyaw! Ay, wala pala ako giyaw.
Okay, I want to
Ano to? Mga helpful ito, mga respectful, mga top of the line people to. They're very nice.
Thank you po.
And everyone in MCOR, all you have to do is go there and we greet you with a smile.
Yes, amazing.
Huwag niyo lang akong,
Amazing
huwag niyo akong guguluhin. Ang sinasabi niyo sa akin, yung tableta ko, ganito, magagalit ako.
Proper history taking po
Dalhin
dapat
niyo po
tayo.
kung ano yung tableta. Dok, may question ako. Kanina na pag-uusapan natin yung 24 alkaline vitamin C for yung sick patients natin, kung may masama ka na nararamdaman. What if ako po, for example, wala naman po akong sakit and very healthy po ako as someone.
Taba ka na nga eh.
Healthy po, healthy.
Sige na nga, healthy. I'm sorry.
So, healthy. Paano ko po pwedeng inumin yung 24 alkaline C? Paano ko siya pwedeng i-fit sa lifestyle ko po?
Normally, 4 capsules 3 times a day.
4 capsules, 3 times a day.
Bakit
Tama po.
4? Bakit 3 times a day? We have 24 hours, isn't it? We have to be protected 24 hours. Sodium ascorbate is water soluble. Like I said, when you take one, you sweat, you cry probably, you eat, you talk, you move your bowels, you urinate, you do all of these things that will bring out the water in you. And with it, vitamin C comes out. Your alkaline sodium vitamin C comes out. So, you have to take 4. 3 times a day. Hindi yung 8 iinumin mong
Hindi
bigla.
po pwedeng sabay-sabay.
Huwag sabay-sabay.
Pag tamas pa naman coach, sabay-sabay yan.
Ito na lahat, ito na.
Kasi, ano lang naman, o sige, inumin ko na sabay-sabay para hindi na ako iinom.
Opo.
Hindi. 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours. Water soluble. Nawawala yan. As you take it, nawawala, nauubos.
Yes.
Nawawala. So, 8 hours yan, kailangan you're protected 24 hours. So, kung 4 lang ininom mo, ngayong umaga, after 8 hours, wala na yan. O, ano na yung 16 hours mo dito? Wala na. So, pagdating mo dun sa taas ng konti, 8 hours, another dose of 4. If you're normal. If you are not well, like me now, I'm not well. I haven't been well for the past... Anyway, I take 10 of these 3 times a day. Right now, I take 4 times a day, 4 times a day. You will have, the first time you take it, you will have a loose bowel movement.
Yeah,
Wag ho kayong
Same.
mawawala ng, do not fret, do not get,
Huwag po kakabahan.
it will just normalize when the toxins and the bacteria and the viruses have already left your body. If you have brought it out already through your bowel movement, through your urine. But you have to continue taking it. If you're not well, you continue taking it at 10, 15, 20, 25, it doesn't matter. It doesn't stay. It gets out.
Pwede po ako. Kasi po, na-experience ko po yung nag-bowel movement ako before. Diba sabi ko, parang nagpupups ako
Medyo-
lagi. Pero the difference is, yung poops ko, hindi siya yung, alam mo, syempre, di ba, pag may diarrhea tayo,
Very watery.
mahapdi, maasim,
Yeah.
so parang ganon. Sabi ko, bakit iba to? Sabi ko, tinanong ko kay mother, sabi ko, mother, parang nagpupus mo na ako. No, that's detoxify ka.
Detoxification ng katawan. Yeah.
Kaya pala, tama nga kasi, hindi mahapde yung paglabas ng bowel. As in, tas nawala siya eventually. Like 1 week, 2 weeks lang, and I'm okay.
Everybody will experience that. Huwag lang kayong matatakot na nagda-diarrhea kayo. It will stop. Maski na 20 yan. I tell you, the first time you take it at 10 or even first time you take it at 4, magda-diarrhea kayo kasi hindi kayo sanay dyan. Ang sanay kayo sa isa. Hindi ba?
Isa-isa lang po, isa-isa lang.
Tapos sasabihin niya, wala namang epekto eh. Paano? Isa lang eh.
Hindi naman ako natulungan eh.
Oo. Bakit pa? Ayoko na niyan, ganyan yan. Pero, you have to give it a try. And when you give it a try, you will see the difference. Like what I did before. You know, the first time I took it, wala naman, ganun lang, ganun, di ba? So, yung epekto, cumulative after a while, yung
Cumulative
mararamdaman mo
effect.
kung ano
Cumulative
nangyari
effect,
sa iyo
yeah.
Di ba?
That's good daw po. Doc, may question ako on 24 alkaline C, sa 24 alkaline C po natin. Tama po ba ako, nasa memes po ito, tama?
I'm sorry.
Nasa memes, tama po?
Oh,
This
nasa
one is
memes.
the monthly index of medical specialties. Anong importance nun, Doc, kung ako bibili ako ng sodium ascorbate sa labas, na ang titignan ko, yung sodium ascorbate ko, nasa memes.
Ang MIMS kasi, this is the directory of the doctors.
True.
Yung naghahanap ng medications, naghahanap ng kung ano. Pag nandiyan ka sa MIMS, that means, how do you say that? You are the...
Parang
You are-
top of the line, parang gano'n.
Or parang
Cream of the
credible.
crop. Yeah,
Parang
credible.
approved.
Yeah, you're credible and that it has been tested. It has been tested that
Wow.
it has worked. Somehow, it helps.
It helps.
It helps in every way, in all kinds of illnesses, in all kinds of diseases. It helps. So, this is even in PDR, physician desk reference.
Wow.
Sodium ascorbate is
Ano po yung
in
PDR?
physician's desk
Grabe
reference.
makabaw, no? Ano po yung PDR?
Sa PDR. Sa states yan, PDR. Pag tinignan nyo, page something, nakita ko yan eh. Sa Kasi hindi na sila ngayon nag-print ng PDR.
Mostly
It's already
online.
it's online. But the last one was 2024, and I looked it up. It was on page something as a sodium ascorbate. It was in PDR.
Wow, grabe.
Yeah.
That's great.
Grabe.
At saka yung sinasabi ni Dr. na it helps. Big word na yon. Kasi iba yung natutulungan ka nung sodium ascorbate, ang alkaline vitamin C natin. Malaking bagay yung nakakatulong sa atin. Kaya
That's
naman
true.
sasabihin, wala namang naitulong yan. Di ba?
Plus, alam mo na quality talaga.
Yes.
Incredible kasi nasa memes. And syempre,
Ngayon lang natin na
yeah,
PDR.
PDR.
Yan.
Ano po ulit yung PDR, Doc?
Physician
Physician
desk
desk.
reference.
Physician's
States.
desk reference. Sa States po yun, grabe. And yung laman niya na sodium ascorbate coming from DSM Europe. Tama?
Yes, DSM.
So, very high quality, very credible yung 24 alkaline.
And I heard pag sinabing DSM, tapos na ang laban.
Tapos
No,
ang usapan.
wala nang explanation.
Yeah.
Kasi alam lahat ng tao yung DSM. Very quality.
You know, when I was not starting, but I was in the middle of this in 2005 or 2006 yata yun. Dumating dito yung mga tiga-DSM
Opo.
from the other company. And I was introduced by the owners, tapos by the owners of the company. And then they said, you know, she gives 20 capsules or 25 capsules 4 times a day to cancer patients. People from DSM, they were so surprised and they were looking at me. They go, are you sure? I said, yes, I'm sure. You have any studies? I said, I have studies. We'd like to see that. Huh? Those are my studies.
I did that.
So they go, oh, we'd like to see that because we'd like to make it as a reference. I said, when I'm done with it, probably we will. And I have a book already, which is being done into a more readable and more understandable way of. So before it's published, we will see. We will see how it goes.
And sobrang exciting yun, Doc.
Ayun
So,
nga ako
gusto kong basahin yan. Sobrang excited po to read that.
Yeah.
So, grabe. Siguro, Doc, with everything that we've talked about so far, with your journey po as a doctor, yung sa biochemistry po natin, yung biochemistry po natin, and even yung experience niyo po with sodium ascorbate, and with MCOR, with 24 alkaline C. Siguro, Doc, one of the things na I would like to ask personally po sa inyo, sa buong decades niyo po as a doctor, that's 5 decades, 50 plus na experience. Kayo, Doc, as the mother of sodium ascorbate here in the Philippines, ano yung legacy na you want to leave here?
The legacy.
Yes. Ano yung legacy na gusto niyo po?
You just don't take alkaline vitamin C for granted. And make sure that you are taking it not because I said so, but because it is one of the best antioxidants that you will have. And if only you remember that, and the feeling that you have after you take the vitamin C, our 24 alkaline vitamin C, the feeling of health, the feeling of being invincible at times, you know, because
yes, of course.
when you take a lot of it, it's just, malakas ako ito, pwede dyan.
Kaya ko lahat
Oh,
yun.
kaya ko yan.
Ay.
Oo. Na maybe that, and if it has helped you a lot, that's it.
Doc, can you tell us more about MCOR's 24 alkaline C?
Okay, because you were asking before, what is the difference of our sodium ascorbate with the other sodium
Yes.
ascorbates in the market? Okay, so our 24 alkaline C is pharma grade. A lot of those outside that I know are food grade. Ours is pharma grade, and our source is DSM. DSM, which is a very one of the top manufacturers of so many products, so many health products, and one of them is sodium ascorbate.
Wow.
And this comes from DSM. And also, if you look at MIMS, we are in MIMS. We are in MIMS, sodium 24 alkaline vitamin C. Another bonus is that we are in PDR, which is the Physician's Desk Reference in America. Laman nyo naman tayo pag sinabi natin, galing yan sa Amerika, galing sa
Quality.
States. Yun ang ginagawa. Wow, that's our reference value, no? Pero this is in MIMS. I've seen this because we're in MIMS. But then I said, if we're in MIMS, we should be, it's sodium ascorbate, it's Dr. Linus Pauling, it's Dr. Amelia Reyes Ubusan.
Of
Di ba?
course.
So I looked it up in PDR. They don't come out now with printed PDR, but the 2024, which was the last printing, I saw it there. I looked for it and it was there. Sodium ascorbate.
Grabe. Grabe guys, ganun kaganda, ganun ka-quality, ganun ka-credible yung 24 alkalines natin.
That means the quality is at the top.
Yes, top tier.
The best.
Yeah. And
The
DSM
best.
Europe, right?
Yes,
DSM Europe.
SM Europe, grabe.
That's it.
Ang ganda. Palakpakan naman po natin. Dr. Amelia Ubusan,
Yes.
the mother of sodium ascorbate here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Thank you so much
Thank you so much
Doc.
po, Doc. Ayan.
It is an honor. It's
Correct.
an honor po na makasama po namin kayo on this episode.
Yes, and take note, nandito po kami sa bahay niya. Talaga,
Yeah.
kinalampag po namin siya dito.
Very welcoming.
Yeah, very
very
welcoming.
welcoming. Busog na busog.
Ay, not to mention.
Not to mention, busog na busog.
Ayan, thank you po
Yan.
talaga kasi this great opportunity po sa inyo na mas lalo pa po kayong makilala
Yeah.
ng mga audience po natin. At syempre makilala po si MCOR 24 Alkaline Vitamin C. And
Yes.
grabe,
Grabe
nakaka-proud.
po.
Nakaka-proud.
For everyone po na if you're watching this and nabanggit po ni Doc
Okay po.
kanina na she does free consultation in the MCOR main office.
Yes.
Message lang po kayo with our customer service. We have Doc has free consultations po every Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Tama po
yes.
ba?
Every
Doc?
Tuesday.
Every Tuesday. Message lang po
afternoon.
kayo for your reservation. Yan.
Yes, yan.
And yeah,
Again?
that's good sa lahat po ng MCORians na nandyan. Lahat all over the world. Tama ba, Coach?
Alright, ako lang ang bumabati ng Hello, Global. Yan. Siyempre lagi akong Global.
Yan, for everyone. Yeah, this is, if you have questions, you can always message us. And kung nasagot yung mga tanong mo, yan, sa episode na to, congratulations. And
Yes.
it's an honor to have the
Kakaiba
mother of sodium ascorbate.
Kakaiba yung episode natin, very informative.
Yeah,
At
very
saka
emotional.
Educational siya,
Yeah.
educational. Nagkaroon tayo ng mga science, mathematics, may Pythagorean ka pa kanina.
Tapos may tai chi pa tayo,
Oo,
di
so
ba?
nagkaroon tayo ng physical education, PE. So lahat na.
Lahat.
Napasabak din tayo sa slight English, like that. Ayan, so grabe.
So thank you everyone, and as always, we wish one thing to you sa lahat na nanonood sa atin, and that is amazing life!
Amazing life.
Bye guys!